Hi there. Journaling is a great way to map out your days, track your habits, and let your thoughts flow freely. With their perfect blend of a paper-like experience and efficiency, BOOX Tablets are the ideal tool to capture your ideas and enhance your everyday life. Today, we'd like to share some useful tips for journaling on BOOX Tablets, from planning to tracking to creating. First up, planning. Typing on a to-do app or tapping preset options is convenient, but writing things down carries more importance. It adds weight to your goals and turns the process into something special. You can start with simple to-do lists or monthly goals with the Note Air 4C. When writing on it, you'll get the same drag as you do on actual paper, and it feels fantastic. If you prefer more modular and artistic ones, our Notes app offers multiple tools to help you create custom bullet journals. For example, you can separate areas with lines or shapes, highlight headings with markers for a clear visual hierarchy, and tweak module sizes with the Lasso Tool. It's fun and flexible. If you want to organize all your to-do lists by day, week, or month in the same notebook, our firmware version 4.0 has a new feature, Note Outline. Just press and hold to set a page as an outline, or go to the Page Manager to set it as a sub-outline. It keeps everything nice and clear. Once you've set your goal, the key to sticking with it is tracking. It could be a habit you want to build, a skill you're learning, or something related to your health. You can design your own tracker with dotted or grid templates. Our feature, Shape Perfection, makes it super easy to draw straight lines. In the Page Manager, you can copy your tracker to reuse it. When you fill it in, you can pick from different brushes or just use the Fill tool. It's satisfying to watch your progress build up day by day. If you've got a template you already use, our firmware version 4.0 supports file-based notes, so you can easily import PNGs or PDFs from your local files. Besides planning and tracking, our versatile device gives you all the freedom you need to get creative and express yourself. You can insert images into your travel or reading journal, making them more vibrant and engaging. You can even add voice recordings to capture exactly how you felt in the moment. All of these memories can be shared as images or PDFs to third-party platforms. Just tap Sync, and you can access your content under your account on the BOOX Assistant app or on the web. That's it for today. Hope this is useful and that our device helps you record all the little wins, joys, growth, and good things in your life. See you next time.